right, time to take a look at the RAYBAO detailing brush set. Look at that. So these are surprisingly nice. They actually have a fully rubberized handle on here, which is great if your hands are going to be soapy. You also got a little texture right here on the tip. That is awesome. The bristles on this brush, they're kind of soft, but they're also firm enough that they're going to hold their shape. They look like a hog hair, something like that. This is a very nice detail brush. And then we got a much firmer brush right here, and then the softest brush. So this is almost like an applicator for putting on makeup, that kind of thing. And then this is going to be for any time where you need to really get in and like mash out something that's impacted in. So that's a perfect set. We got our soft, our medium, and our firm. And this is actually kind of funny because I actually was debating on whether or not I even want to do a review on this set, but this is so nice. I'm wondering why I was even thinking that. We can see all the brushes are nice and full, so even if we lose a couple of bristles, we're not going to have to worry about it. That is excellent. So they are all resistant to shedding. Yeah, I am nothing but impressed with this. This is an incredible brush set. So we can see we got some dust here on the steering wheel. I got my little blush brush right here. And if I wipe that, it comes right off. Now, this one I would definitely reserve for things like the screen, anything like that, where I really want to be careful about scratching the surface or the lens, just because I don't want to be seeing that years down the road. This one's going to be more the bread and butter. This one I'm going to be using for doing most of the detail work. Anything that, well, I mean, it just makes everything easy. And especially getting into cracks. Anything where like a rag or something like that would have more difficulty. And I don't really have a use for this one right now, but like, for example, if I had something like, you know, somebody put some chocolate right here in the corner and I needed to dig that out, this would be the brush I would use for that. You definitely want to use this one sparingly just because of how tough these bristles are, but when you need it, you need it. So overall, that is an awesome set of brushes.